how to fix any problem you have with any effect on TikTok app. Hello guys, welcome back to this new short tutorial. I'm gonna show you how to fix any effect on TikTok. First thing, open the settings, go to the apps manager, open the apps. On this page you will find all the apps that you have downloaded on your phone. And also this trick is gonna be working for Android and iOS. Scroll until you find TikTok and then click on it. Now you have to click on the notifications management, make sure that everything is enabled. Go back and click on this open by default option and then click on open supported links in this app, choose always allow. Go back and then click on the power usage details and click down here on this force stop. After that you have to go back into the settings on your phone, open the wireless add networks and then go to the Wi-Fi, and you may have to change the network that you are connected to or just turn off the Wi-Fi and turn it on again. And last thing now you want to do is open the Play Store and search for TikTok and click on this green option that says update. After you update your TikTok, now you have to restart your phone. Don't forget to like, subscribe.